Hi, today we are going to show you how to use the new Breakout Room feature in Teams to pull small group guided reading. Just a reminder, make sure to update Teams before giving Breakout Rooms a try. You can check out our how-to video on updating Teams manually. Before we get started, it is important to have the guided reading book open in another window and ready to go. It may be helpful to split your screen so you can see the students and the book at the same time. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Teams account and launch your class. Then prompt children to start their independent work and that guided reading is starting. Hi class! We are going to start our smaller groups now. Red group, we're going to start with you. All other children should begin their independent work time now. To allow children access to their guided reading book, place the book link in the chat or on your Canvas page. Red group, I've placed the guided reading book that we're going to do today in the chat. Please click the link and get started reading. I'm going to put you in breakout rooms. It is important that we teach procedures around what to do to get started with reading once they are launched into their breakout rooms, and to continue to reread the book until you arrive. This will help set the stage for success and ensure they spend the most time reading. To launch the breakout rooms, click the breakout room icon at the top right side of your Teams screen. Choose the number of rooms based on the number of children in your guided reading group. I have 3 students in my red group, so I'll be creating 3 breakout rooms. Click the manual Assign and then click Create Rooms. You will need to assign participants by clicking the Assign Participants, clicking each child, click Assign, and then choose the room that you would like to place them in. This one will go to room 2, and this child will go to room 3. Once you have assigned, you click Start Rooms. Children will be swept away from the whole group meeting into their assigned breakout rooms within 10 seconds. I'll see you all in a few. To visit each room, hover over the room number, click the 3 dots, and click Join Room. Your whole group meeting will be placed on hold. You can use an alternate device to continue to view the children. As you enter, the child should be reading from the text you have displayed on your split screen. Quickly find what page they are reading and listen in. Hi, Kate. Go ahead and keep reading for me, please.
Matt picks up a stone. No, Matt picks up a stick to toss.
Kate, I really loved how you went back and tried that again because you saw that stone did not match the letters that were on the page. Great job. Keep reading.
Bud gets the stick in the pond. Matt has Bud. Bud is the best dog.
Keep going.
Then Matt and Bud stop. Wow. What can it be? I don't know that word.
Kate, try to read it again. What sight word do we know that kind of looks like what you said, wat?
What can it be?
Absolutely. Great rereading. Keep going, and I'll check back in on you later. To leave the breakout room, press leave, and then resume to get to the whole group class again. Then hover over the next room and click join. Hi, Dana. Go ahead and start reading from wherever you are.
Bud gets stuck in the pond.
Keep going.
Matt pats Bud. Bud is the best bud.
Okay, Dana. Let's look back at that last word. Can you put your eyes on it? What letter does that word start with?
D.
D. What sound does D make?
Duh.
Very
Duh.
good. Can you try to sound that word out for me?
Good. Dog.
Excellent. Reread the sentence now with the correct word.
Bud is the best dog.
Awesome work, Dana. Keep going. I'll be back in a minute. So each time you are popping from one room to the next to visit each student reading. Hi, Holly. Go ahead and keep reading.
Bud gets the stick in the Bud gets the stick in the pond. Matt pats Bud. Bud is the best dog.
Great work, Holly. I loved how you listened and noticed that that word did not sound right or make sense. So you went back and tried to reread it until it made sense. Stop. Then Matt and Bud stop made sense. Great work. Thank you. So after visiting all the students, hit resume. In order to get all the students whisked back to the general classroom, you're going to click Close Rooms. The students will start to come back to the whole group meeting. And just like in our face-to-face guided reading sessions, each time you pop into a classroom is an opportunity for you to provide on-the-spot praise of what the child is doing well, and any quick teaching that needs to be done to reinforce or coach new skills they're learning. To leave the breakout room, you click Leave, resume the main classroom, and then all students will be transported back to the main classroom. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial today. Bye!